we are going to present a very important system of our body called the circulatory system. The circulatory system helps in transporting blood, nutrients, oxygen, and hormones to all parts of our bodies. It also helps to remove waste material called carbon dioxide. The circulatory system mainly consists of three parts: heart, blood, and blood vessels. Now I will explain the heart. The heart is a strong muscular organ about the size of our fist. It is located slightly toward the left side of the chest. The heart works like a pump. It continuously pumps blood to all parts of our bodies. The heart has four chambers, two upper chambers called atria, two lower chambers called ventricles. The right side of the heart carries deoxygenated blood and the left side of the heart carries oxygenated blood. Now, next part will be explained by Kanchan.
Thank you, Gorika. Now I will explain blood. Blood is a liquid connective tissue which flows inside the blood vessels and performs many important functions. Blood has four main components. First, plasma carries nutrients and hormones. Red blood cells, also known as RBC, carries oxygen with the help of hemoglobin. Third, white blood cells, also known as WBC, protect us from diseases. Fourth, platelets help in blood clotting. Blood helps in regulating body temperature, fighting infections, and transporting food and oxygen. Now, Goika will explain blood vessels.
Thank you, Kanchan. Blood vessels are tubes through which blood flows in our body. There are three types of blood vessels. Arteries carries oxygenated blood away from the heart. Second, veins carries deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Third, capillaries. They have very thin walls where exchange of gases and nutrients takes place. Arteries have walls, veins have walls, and capillaries have very thin walls. Now, double circulation will be explained by Kanchan.
Humans have double circulation, which means blood passes through the heart two times in one complete cycle. The one circulation is between the heart and the lungs, and the other is between the heart and rest of body. This makes blood circulation more efficient. Conclusion. In conclusion, the circulatory system is very important for our survival. To keep our circulatory system healthy and clean, we should eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly. Thank you.